In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell your domain name on GoDaddy step by step. Whether you're looking to offload a domain you no longer need or simply want to explore the value of your online assets, selling a domain can be both profitable and straightforward when you do it right. Let's walk through the process together, ensuring clarity and simplicity along the way. First, you'll need to navigate to the GoDaddy website. Open your preferred web browser and enter the GoDaddy URL in the address bar. Once you're on the home page, locate the profile icon, generally found in the upper right corner of your screen. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down menu. From here, you're going to select My Products. This section holds all of the domain names and services you have with GoDaddy, and it's where you'll manage the listing of your domain for sale. After entering the My Products page, look for the Manage All option. This option allows you to oversee all your domain holdings in one place. Click on it and you'll be taken to a more detailed dashboard. Here lies an action button for each domain, and this is a key feature for our next steps. Next, locate the domain you wish to sell from your list and click the action button next to it. From the Actions menu, select List for Sale. This is where the journey of putting your domain on the market truly begins. As you click List for Sale, a new window will prompt you to start the listing process. Go ahead and click Get Started. Now you have the choice between entering your own listing price or utilizing GoDaddy's estimated value for your domain. Deciding the right price can significantly affect your chances of selling, so take some time to consider this step based on your research or using the estimated value as a reliable benchmark. For an added touch, GoDaddy gives you the option to replace your current website with a for sale landing page. If you choose to do this, it might attract more potential buyers by clearly signaling that the domain is available. If you're ready to take this step, simply check the box provided for this option. After setting your preferences, select Next to proceed. You're nearly there. The final prompt will ask you to finalize your listing. With everything in place, click Finish listing your domains with your Afternic account. Afternic is a domain marketplace owned by GoDaddy that broadens the reach to potential buyers, making it a strategic partner in getting your domain sold efficiently. And that's it, you're all set. Follow these steps and your domain is now available for sale on GoDaddy's extensive platforms. Happy selling and good luck with your domain transactions.